I will in this video demonstrate how you can use a Python script to unzip a number of zip files. I have here QGIS open, and I have here a folder location called Zipfiles where I have 7 zip files which I want to unpack and store into a folder called Molde. Now, I could do this one by one, but to avoid boring work, you can also use Python to work more efficiently. You can access Python from this icon here. In case you do not see it, right-click on the toolbar and make sure that the plugins toolbar is visible. So if I check this off, the Python icon disappears. So make sure this is on and you have the Python console available. Click on it to open it, and open this thing here. Here you can write your Python code, but in this case we have this stored in a file, and I will therefore open the editor, because here you can then open files containing the script you want to run. So click on open and browse to where the zip file is located, Unpack zip files, and this is then the script. It uses 2 libraries, Zipfile and OS, and we need to indicate then where is the zip file located, which is this folder here, and where it will be stored, which is the extract folder, being then, don't see everything here, being then Molde, which is situated here. And then it's just first check if the zip folder exists, and if it does, it will make a list of all the zip files it finds in the zip file folder and then unpack it to the specified folder. We can try running it, clicking on run. We got several messages here, and we can also see that this is then now populated with several GML files. So for instance, about the municipality layer for Molde.